Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Fiesta. In this video I'll show you how to manage sync applications. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to Menu. Enter Sync Applications, and here you can manage mobile apps. And manage app settings. To manage mobile apps, make sure that you've got apps installed on the USB drive that is connected to the car via USB. And next you can manage Emergency Assistant mobile apps. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.